video, and it's Saturday the 13th of April. If you got the email, then there's a link to an email I recorded yesterday on the bear market. I believe is now in progress in some markets, with other markets due to peak quite soon. I did forget to mention one of the risks going forwards in the world, which is that the governments of the world have been testing out the idea of just stealing cash from their citizens, as Cyprus did against their bank accounts, and I gather Poland did something similar against pension funds. It's rather an unpleasant thought that you spend all those years working away, saving up for your retirement, storing money away in your pension, and the government just grabs a portion of that cash, only because they themselves, the government, cannot run their own financial affairs in a proper fashion. I think it's a fairly, testament of our times, I guess. Anyway, we'll start with the Dow this morning. Basically, we've got the peak came in here in October. We saw a clear ABC decline, which is a corrective formation. They can extend, as I said, but we've got this very impulsive move up to here. 1, 2, 3. This is the resistance level here. 4, and this looks like a 5 in process. So my view is that we're going to see new highs for this move. Once the Dow gets, in fact, when most markets get close to key levels, i.e. a previous all-time high as we had here, then it tends to go above that high. That would create a fifth wave rally, a complete 5 off this low here, and that could be a major peak. Certainly something that people have been calling for, myself included, and yesterday's video was a part of that process, if you like. Personally, I like to judge things on what happens next, as it were. So if we see an impulsive decline, then at that point the writing will be on the wall that a major peak has been seen and that the Dow is heading downwards. Right, the DAX saw a much bigger decline, peaking in early February, as I recall. ABC again, similar sort of formation really. I think on the Dow, on the DAX, we're seeing a corrective move. I think 1180 is a key level here. They were slightly above that at the moment. I think we've got an A, a B, and then an ABC as the C wave. The peak, I think, is not yet in. I think we're going to see slightly higher prices, but I think it's probably a matter of days really where we're, as far as the rally is concerned. Could go a little bit higher, but I think, so there's little chance the DAX will see new highs. And if this is in fact the high, I could be wrong of course, but if this is the high, then the DAX is in a bear market already, on the basis it has peaked. As we saw in the 2007, 2008, 2009 experience, it was only later on in the bear market, 2008, 2009, when things started got really unpleasant. The initial situations weren't too bad. Right, on gold, we've got 5 waves up, that's clear. A, B. This rally's failed, in fact. I think we're going to see a bit more downside. Support around 1260. So I think that'll maybe hold, but an A, B, C, if that's the B wave. So I'll go down the leg here. Right, so the A wave is around $70, and $70 off this peak here, it takes down to about 1250. So 1250, 1260, I think should see a major low in gold with a strong rally coming. All right, silver is similar. We had this low back in November 2018. 5 waves up to there. A, B, and now there's C wave, rather like gold, similar kind of pattern really, with a bit more downside to come to complete that move, I think. Bitcoin, no overall change here. We've seen the 1 wave, seen the 2 wave, and we've seen 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 3 of 3 of 3. So I still think this could go a bit further, but I think we're going to see a 5th wave rally to complete wave 3. So that would be a 1, a 2, and a 3 to there, and another sell-off before the complete 5 is complete, which I think will probably take us about 6,000. 6,000 is a pretty important level, as I discussed in an earlier video, but looking good at the moment. Obviously don't see any really sharp declines, but I think people have seen the light maybe, that we're now seeing the low, so I think people will be buying the pullbacks to get on board what could be a major trend on the cryptos. I mean, Bitcoin, I think will do extremely well, but some of the smaller ones will do a lot better, I think. Bitcoin does have greater stability, so it just depends what you pay your money, you take your choice. That's all for today. I found this video useful, interesting, and also my bear market video. Have a great day, thanks for listening, and bye for now.